Hi, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do the curved fluted wall panel, like this. Okay, very simple. Just go to System Cabinet, drag the superboard. Also, change the size first, like maybe 2000. 2000 here lah, same B lah. 2000 here, then this one 100 enough. Okay, same thing. So you can click B box selection, select it, right click. Okay, here you can use panel point editing also. Okay, so we're gonna draw the pattern first before we extrude it. Okay, we just select this one, delete. Okay, then we will just draw the pattern. Okay, this one a bit different. This one the curve come out. Okay, so we tick here, then maybe 101, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay, the rest you do yourself. Okay, so here I may click on it, make curve opposite, make curve opposite. Okay, make curve opposite. Okay, make curve opposite. Just do the pattern. Okay, then after that finish, save. Okay, return. So this is the pattern. You select it here, change the height. Okay, exit all the function first, select it, change the height to 2007, 2800. Okay, then here you can make it stick with the wall. Then you see the panel. Okay, so maybe color is, I don't know what color is this one. Simply choose one of the color lah. Like this. Like this. Simply choose one of color. Okay. Then if you want copy, you can just Ctrl V lah, or Ctrl V. Okay. Then you adjust the distance by yourself, or you just do all the way. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.